Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll be downloading and installing the FIFA Plus app on Fire TV. Now, if you have your Fire TV already with you and is loaded, just go to Find on the top panel, go down to next to Search. On this search bar, you could find a keyboard. On this keyboard, you're going to type in application of choice. So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install the FIFA Plus app. So if you look at options below, you can see FIFA Plus. Click on it to launch, and you have the application right here. Clicking on it gets in, and you find the download button. Hitting the download button begins the download process. So just be patient for it now to complete. It will take for a couple of seconds to probably a minute. So when the download is complete, you meet an automatic installation. Just sit down and relax, and you can find it right here installing. So when the installation is done, you find this app available in your app library, or you could just click the open app button that's about to pop up any second now to get into the app directly. Enjoy the application, and if you had value from this presentation, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more presentations just like this.